Good day mga kaibigan. Happy Monday sa lahat. No? It is from here in the Philippines. We're talking about a cryptocurrency. So crypto, it's conserved to the people around the world right now mga kaibigan, because this crypto in the crypto industry, it is called in the blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency, it is a virtual asset or digital asset mga kaibigan. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, or the currency itself, it is called a digital or the virtual currency that uses a cryptography for a security. Unlike for the traditional currencies issued by the government, these types of currency, there is no control the government, there is no institutions, and many others mga kaibigan. And this cryptocurrency, it can be operate into the blockchain's technology. It is having a key features to have a decentralized or not controlled by the central authority or like a bank or the government. At it is secure. All the transactions can be secured using a cryptographic system or the cryptographic techniques mga kaibigan. It is called a transparent, that all transactions are recorded into the public ledger or the chains of blocks or the blockchains mga kaibigan. It is a borderless, no mga kaibigan, can be sent and received globally in a minimal pace or no delays mga kaibigan. It can be common into the cryptocurrencies around the world right now in the crypto market. It is called a Bitcoin or the BTC, the first introduced, and the Satoshi Nakamoto. It is a group of people mga kaibigan. It is called a central intelligence. There is in the crypto market, there is a lot of crypto coins, but the most popular coins is the Bitcoin, the first created mga kaibigan in the programming. It is called a software. It is Bitcoin called a network. It is a software mga kaibigan. There is a lot of coins in the crypto market right now. There is a Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, and many others mga kaibigan. So there is a Litecoin. So in the serving of the people around the world mga kaibigan, even Donald Trump declaring a Liberty Coin to the United States of America right now. So the uses of the use of these digital assets or the causes of this in the use of the case mga kaibigan, that digital payments, investment, and decentralized finances mga kaibigan. It can be to have a supply chains mga kaibigan, but Bitcoin, there is a limited supply around the world because Bitcoin was created fully in 2008 and established through the world in 2009 mga kaibigan. So that's why there is a lot of people who are investing and trading these types of coins in the market mga kaibigan. But Bitcoin in the first and foremost well known as a cryptocurrency, created and established on 2009 by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. In the white paper, it's called for the purpose to design as a fair-to-fair digital currency or digital cashless society mga kaibigan, that the money on the internet without the need of the bank or the middleman. So the technology can be runs of this software is called a chains of blocks or the blockchain's technology in the centralized public ledgers that all records of the transactions by the Bitcoin. So it is the Bitcoin having a limited supply in the world circulating right now will be only 21 million existing Bitcoins mga kaibigan. And there is a mining of the Bitcoin through the world, through the process in any countries around the world right now mga kaibigan. It is a decentralized and there is no single persons or company or controlling this, mga kaibigan, by the government. There is no one of them, mga kaibigan. It is maintained by a globally network. It is a nodes and the miners. So it can be the uses to be invest the store of the value of the digital gold called a Bitcoin, mga kaibigan. So that's why there is a lot of people who are invested of this, mga kaibigan, that the Bitcoin is a universal money and the purified money. It can be the virtual asset as a universal digital asset of yours, mga kaibigan. That's called a Bitcoin. It is a universal and global money that the Bitcoin from the country to the another country in the minutes only if you have a transactions. So virtual is doesn't exist in physical money. So that is in virtual or digital, mga kaibigan. So it is money is can be buy goods by this Bitcoin. Yes, like what the physical money that we can buy to the property and many others out there, mga kaibigan. And also digital property and investment asset in the internet. So can be a good investment. Yes, it is a good investment that the Bitcoin, but there is a high risk, mga kaibigan. So it is a high potential in return, and there is a limited in supply around the world. What I have told you is 21 million, mga kaibigan. And the Bitcoin also, mga kaibigan, it's a volatile that the prices can be dramatically fall and high, mga kaibigan. It is no guarantees the fast performance of this. But you need to show that Donald Trump is controlling right now as a Liberty Coin. So there is a lot of people who are engaging for this, mga kaibigan, and saving of the Bitcoins or the crypto coins for good is a long-term investment, mga kaibigan, as investor of this, mga kaibigan. So even Robert Kiyosaki and known personalities, business tycoon around the world are saving digital assets, mga kaibigan. There is a lot of the business tycoon around the world who are saving and engaging about the Bitcoin. So in the Bitcoin, in the crypto market right now, mga kaibigan, is a most valuable, no, mga kaibigan, what you can afford, and mga kaibigan. And like what I save and stored and collect the bonsai also, mga kaibigan. So like what the bonsai says, no, mga kaibigan. So it is called digital assets, mga kaibigan, Bitcoin. But I have so collected many coins and the bonsai. So the prices is go high, like what happened in the bonsai and also into the crypto market. So we are selling to the market and we understand the market itself. Thank you so much for watching us.